In this simple tutorial, I will show you how to turn on and off the instant booking for your Airbnb listing. From the home screen, you just have to click on Switch to Hosting in the top right, and then click on your listing. From there, the listing editor is going to pop up like this page here. And then on the left-hand side, you're going to scroll all the way down to where you get to a subsection called Instant Book. From there, you can toggle the use of Instant Book on and off. If you do turn it off, Airbnb warns you that you may get fewer bookings, and then you also have to manually review every booking that comes through and respond to them within 24 hours. So these are some things to be aware of if you plan on turning Instant Booking off, but it really just depends what's best for your situation. If you do have instant booking on, Airbnb tends to actually push your listing to more people, so potentially you could get more bookings with it on. You do have an option for the guest to have a good track record whenever you use an instant book. Now, I personally have this selected for all of my listings. And that's it. If you want to pick up more tips and tricks for hosting and get more profits and bookings, feel free to check out more of our videos or our website.